What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use Claude for marketing. So using Claude for marketing, it's less about coding software and more about using its terminal based tools to manipulate your marketing files directory and run agents and automate repetitive tasks. So in order to do that, make sure that you first thing first is to go to the settings. In the settings you will see there are a lot of options like capabilities where it can learn from the chats or references. It can contain the history, so you don't have to go back, and it could be the voice of your brand. So it will learn everything that you tell it, and it would keep it safe for the context. Now, once you have enabled this memory function, you have to go to the connectors. In order to go to the connectors, over here you will see a lot of connectors, but if you're using a specific tools like Canva, you can set up from here. If you're doing it for the marketing purposes, you must have Figma where you creating the carousels and all that stuff. You can include the Figma in it, the Notion for the documentation and preparation of a presentation and all that stuff. Google Drive to save everything. So it all comes under the one roof. So you don't have to worry about making changes. After all, going back and forth again and again. Even you can set up the Trello, the Miro, the Asana, everything under one bucket. Now, once you have established the connections between the MCPs of the other tools, now what you have to do is to go to the new chat. In the new chat, you will see that there are the skills options. In the skills, you guys can always add a new skill if you want to add it, and you guys can keep previous skills as an option, so it will learn according to what you tell it. And obviously there are a lot of options to add plugins, which is if you're using a specific tool and want it to use for your marketing and other purposes, you can add that in over here. For example, the Figma, the product tracking, and all the other certified SEO type things. Like now, once you have established the environment for your automated SEO or internal link mapping, you guys can always, strategize because Claude looks at your entire folder structure. It can read every existing blog post or landing pages simultaneously. So you guys can always automate SEO internal link mapping once you have integrated everything right into it. And also, you guys can set up using the programmatic ad copy and creative scaling. So this is how you guys can use it for the marketing purposes. I hope you find this really helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.